इंकलाब अस्सलाम इंतिहारा इंकलाब अरे इंकलाब जिंदाबाद 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 अरे इंकलाब जिंदाबाद 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 इंकलाब जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
Politics of the marginalized sections, the politics of the SC, STs and OBCs and the Muslims and the people from different regions, whether it's northeast from Tamil Nadu, they will decide. They are the majority. They are the real stakeholders of the Indian nation. They will decide what should be the politics.
It's a very heavy day. You know, this is a tough day because sometimes I feel like we are too burdened by tragedies. Our calendars have become inundated with these brutal spectacles of violence. That is how we mark our dates now. It's not just about 14th October. It's about all the dates that come before and all the dates that come after. And the fact that on so many of those dates, it feels like the least we can do, what we're doing here today, is also the most we can do. You know, the only thing that we can do on some of these dates is to recount our testimonies, is to just retell, to recount our oppression, to recount how we've been subjected to violence. And that can begin to have an emotional toll. It can begin to lie very heavily on you. Because deep down, we all know that the least we do and the most we do, in all of this, we are limited by the poverty of our options. We know that the system that was supposed to give us justice has failed to give us even the pretense of justice.
5 साल पहले जब नजीब पर हमला हुआ था और हमले के फौरन बाद जब डिसअपियरेंस हो गया था नजीब का, तो उस वक्त nobody took any responsibility for this. कैंपस में जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, जितने भी हाई अथॉरिटीज़ हैं, किसी ने जिम्मेदारी लेके they did not take any responsibility to secure justice for Najib. So that is reason number 1. It never became a popular cause. Number 2, जैसे अभी वसीम ने बताया कि from day 1 the cause for Najib has been, you know, an untouchable cause. It's an untouchable political cause. And why is that? क्योंकि नजीब पर जिस वजह से हमला हुआ था, those reasons were always obscured by the political organizations of this campus, the student organizations of this campus. Najib par hamla hua tha because he was a Muslim student.
You and I may perish and we'll die one day, and so will our stories. But this is that narrative which stays with us. It becomes a part of our pedagogy, what we read, what we eat, what we feed, what we are being told. It becomes a part of our syllabus. It becomes a part of the media. It becomes a part of the culture. Go and see all the Bollywood movies out there. Go and read your books from your childhood. And you will find that there is a stream of anti-Muslim hatred that is being feeded since the very childhood. So when we see Najib's incident, it is not an isolated incident. When we see the state martyred Moinul Haq, it was not an isolated incident. It's the national project of this Brahmanical Baniya state of disappearing each one of us. Sometimes they reduce us to our bodies. Sometimes they reduce us to our names. Sometimes they blur our identities. What we saw in the case of Najib was that there was assault on the first day. But when the left liberals came out telling that he was responsible, they killed the community again. This narrative making, which is in the hands of the privileged faction right now, it is a toolkit for justifying that physical violence out there. So when Najib is disappeared, and it is not a voluntary disappearance, the 3 most sophisticated investigative agencies of this country have chosen to fail us. When there is an active oppression out there, we need to actively call out the oppressor. We won't say that Imam, Khalid Saifi, Gulfisha are incarcerated. No, that's the whole story. We want to say that they have been wrongly incarcerated under draconian charges, and all those laws, they need to be repealed, and all of these people needs to be set free.
Why Najib got attacked? It's not that any person will get attacked from the university. This university have around 50 years of history. There is many people are studying the university who is coming from very upper class backgrounds. Chatterjees, Banerjees, Gangulis, Nayars, Menons, everybody is coming to these universities. But why Najib is getting attacked?